Oh, well, good morning, everyone. This is Doggone RV'N, travel with my girls. We are currently in Lyman, Wyoming. Fort Bridger is just down the street, a block from us. And I tell you, this trip so far has been fantastic. Sunny, warm, hot. They're having a heat wave through Utah and Wyoming. The hottest weather they've had this late in the season ever, for years, they say. You know, and they're talking triple digits if you're down there somewhere in southern Utah. So I forgot all about turning the doggone heat on. I woke up this morning, it was frickin' 44 degrees in this rig. Holy crap. I got up, pushed the buttons, turned on the heater, and went, I went, oh God, I know what I did. The weather's been so nice, I forgot to turn on the heat. Because I don't usually use the heat for anything but warming the place up, because I've got a stovetop griddle I can plug in because I'm solar, and solar panels have been at damn near 100% all the time because of the sun. So I had to get dressed when it was still dark, go out, turn the darn gas on, come back in here. I had to turn it on again, didn't work. I said, okay, I know, I flipped the switch. So I had to go down here to the fuse box, push a couple buttons, turn off the heater, turn the heater back on. So now it's finally warming up. My toes are finally starting to defrost. So, but yeah, I ain't turning that thing off again, because even though it's going to get nice and toasty during the days, it's dipping down into the low 40s at night here. Thank goodness I got my tank heaters put on. Those will automatically kick in and keep the black tank and the freshwater tank from freezing up once the temperature gets down to below 40, I think 44. So I'm glad I added those before I took this trip. It's been so nice, I forgot it's even winter or fall. So yeah, we're up about over 6,000 feet here. We're probably going to end up going higher as we progress east. So I got some new videos from the breeder he sent me. Dang, those guys are just little balls of fur. They are so damn adorable. I'll drop them at the end of this video so you guys can enjoy them too. But it just makes me more anxious to go get them, meet them, mingle with them, and then choose which one's going to be my Ember. So I'll show you what I can without showing you which one I pick. That's going to be for the big reveal when I get back home and put my website and that together with new pictures of Ember and my new setup. And it's going to be my travels with Ember on Doggone RV'N. Slightly different format. It's going to be a new era of Doggone RV'N. So I hope you guys will join us. I hope you'll tell others, because I've got so much to share with you. I plan on doing videos on how I train Ember for the RV life, like how I've trained my other dogs for AKC obedience and conformation. It seems like there's just so many darn people out there claiming they're expert dog trainers, since the Dog Whisperer made it big, that they're a dime a dozen. But I'm going to stick with what I learned, the basics, and have served me well. And I hope to share that knowledge with you guys out there on this channel as we progress forward. So let's see. I tell you, my toes feel so nice now. It was cold in here. But let's see, anything else? Yeah, everything I've done to this rig, except for forgetting to turn the heat on, working great. I tell you, this is a A home on wheels. Miniature home. I just can't see myself driving anything bigger than this because it's unnecessary. Okay, let me think. Let's see. I already had my 1 cup of coffee this morning. Warmed me up, get me going. Right now I'm just kind of fiddling around, waiting for the daylight to come and it to warm up a little. I want to go spend the day down here at Fort Bridger because there's so much history down here. Fort Bridger is where the Mormon Trail went through, the California Trail went through, the Oregon Trail went through, Pony Express went through. A couple miles south of here is where the Golden Spike was driven for the Pacific Railway and the meeting of the 2 trains coming from the east and the west. So this place is just steeped in Western history and the Western movement. Well, I'm going to drop the videos and stuff that the breeder sent me of the pups right now, so you guys can see how they've progressed, how they're growing, what they look like. And I'll do a video when I get to the kennel in a couple of days and show you my interaction with the puppies and what they're like. But I'm not going to show you which one I choose. That's going to be for the big reveal next month, once I've put my new Facebook page together, my YouTube page together with pictures of Ember and everything. Then there'll be a big reveal for the start of a new era of Doggone RV'N. So I hope you guys will pay attention and be there. This is going to be exciting. I'll be starting from scratch with a brand new puppy. I can show you how I train my dogs and take care of them and everything you need to know. Sorry, I made an earthquake there. So I'm going to sign off. Here's some of the short little videos that my breeder sent to me. I hope you guys will keep watching us because it's just going to get better. Okay, take care. Thanks a lot and God bless.